Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Emma and thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're new, thank you for visiting my channel and I hope you can become part of the family. Go ahead and hit that subscription button below and join the family. So today I am going to be doing a photo shoot for baby. The model that I'm going to be using is my very own son, Iris Grayson G. So I'm going to be using him. So the room is his room actually that I'm going to be doing the photo shoot. That's the wallpaper that I did. If you haven't seen the video, go ahead and see that video. It's pretty dope, very easy to do. He is right now laying in his crib, as you can see. He's sleeping. Piece of note, if you are planning on doing a home photo shoot with a baby, he's 3 weeks today. So if you want to do a photo shoot with a 3 weeks old baby, make sure you feed him or her and they are pretty full and asleep. So hopefully he stays asleep throughout the whole photo shoot. If not, I might have to put the video on pause, feed him again. But so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so everything that I'm using, majority of them comes from the thrift store. So I went to the thrift store and I purchased these. These are like scarf. So I just went to the thrift store. I was walking around trying to get inspired. I saw these scarf. I'm like, these are freaking gorgeous. Like, look at this. So I'm gonna be using these scarves to wrap him around, to wrap him in. So these are all scarf, like I said, from the thrift store, and each of them was like $2.99, $2.99. So there's two of them. I really love this one. This is I'm gonna wrap him around this. All of them I like. I'm gonna wrap him around all of these. And then the last one is this turquoise color. So this is what I'm going to be using. I got all of these from the thrift store for like, some of them were like $1.99 and some were $2.99. I got this basket that I'm going to be using. He's going to be laying in it. I got this basket. I think the basket was $1.99, I think, also from the thrift store. So, and I'm gonna be using this Canon G7 to take his picture. So to fill up the basket, I just went in my house. These are some like old blankets I'm gonna be using to fill up the basket and also get inspired. I might use this. I got this bucket from IKEA. It's actually in one of his drawer. Once he starts playing with toy, it's gonna be going in there. So I might use this, but we'll see how it goes as we do the photo shoot. So that's basically what I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna use a regular blanket, wrap him in first, and then wrap these around him. I'm actually gonna be using a swaddle blanket. It's gonna be very easy to just tuck him in there and make it easier for me to use these scarves and wrap it around him. So for the next shoot, I got inspired from a picture I saw on Pinterest. There was this beautiful little girl, and on the picture, there was the word spelled out love, and it was spelled out in fabric. So I decided to kind of, do the same thing, kind of mimic that idea. And it came out pretty nice. As you can see, he's representing the O, and then I'm spelling out the rest of the words with the fabrics that I have. So for this next shoot, I'm using the swaddle blanket that was given to him by the hospital. Each babies are giving this swaddle blanket by the hospital as a gift. He actually he did a photo shoot when we were in the hospital, but I really didn't like the pictures, and plus they were charging a little too much, so I decided to use it. As you can see, he's in it, and I just wanted to capture this memory before he outgrows the blanket. so these are the images that I was able to capture. These are some of the ones that I have already edited. So I edited them for the video, for the sake of the video, so you guys can see how well they came alive. I absolutely love them. They are perfect for my liking and are wonderful for memories. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so that is the end of our photo shoot. I thank you, my model. Thank you, Iris. He did well, didn't he? I was surprised. He went through the whole photo shoot without crying, so pretty good. He's pretty tired, I take it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got an idea to see, you know, for you guys to take a home photo shoot. The reason why I did this was I wanted to actually hire a photographer to come and do it, but they were charging me like too much, $600, $800. I was like, that's ridiculous. I can do a nice little photo shoot in my son's room, and just for memory's sake. So I hope you guys got an idea, and if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscription button below and help my channel grow, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye, Iris. Bye, guys.